Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a closer look at one of the most trusted tractors in the Indian farming sector, the Mahindra 585D. This powerful and reliable machine has been a favorite among farmers for years, thanks to its strong performance and durability. Under the hood, the Mahindra 585D is powered by a 4-cylinder, 3054cc engine that delivers 50 HP. It offers a maximum PTO of 45.8 HP, which is perfect for handling a wide range of agricultural tasks such as plowing, harvesting, rotavating, and more. The engine runs at 2,100 RPM and is designed to deliver excellent fuel efficiency, making it economical for long hours of work in the fields. This tractor comes with a dual-clutch system and has a partial constant mesh transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifting. It has 8 forward and 2 reverse gears, giving the operator full control and flexibility in different field conditions. The top speed in forward gear goes up to 30.9 km per hour, which is great for transport purposes as well. The Mahindra 585D features advanced hydraulics with a lifting capacity of up to 1640 kg. It supports various implements including cultivators, plows, harrows, and trailers. The ADDC hydraulic system ensures precise control during lifting and lowering operations. When it comes to comfort, this tractor doesn't disappoint. It has a spacious platform, comfortable seating, and an ergonomic steering wheel for fatigue-free driving. The steering can be mechanical or power depending on the variant, and the braking system includes oil-immersed brakes for reliable stopping power even in wet conditions. With a fuel tank capacity of 49 liters, it can run continuously for long hours without needing frequent refueling. The 585D is also known for its strong metal body, which adds to its durability and long life in rough terrains. Whether you are a small farmer or manage a large agricultural setup, the Mahindra 585D is a practical and dependable choice. It's built to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease while keeping maintenance simple and affordable. If you're planning to invest in a tractor that gives value for money and long-term service, the Mahindra 585D is worth considering.